A solar eclipse happens when the moon passes directly between the sun and Earth, blocking the sun's light and casting a shadow on a part of Earth. This alignment is a cosmic coincidence. Although the sun is about 400 times wider than the moon, it's also about 400 times farther away, so they appear to be almost the same size in our sky. A solar eclipse only happens during the new moon phase when the moon is positioned between the sun and Earth. However, we don't get a solar eclipse every month because the moon's orbit around Earth is tilted by about 5 degrees relative to Earth's orbit around the sun. This tilt means the moon's shadow usually passes either above or below Earth. The moon's shadow has two parts: umbra, the inner, darker part of the shadow where the sun is completely blocked. If you're in the umbra, you'll see a total solar eclipse. Penumbra, the lighter, outer part of the shadow where the sun is only partially blocked. People in the penumbra see a partial solar eclipse. There are 4 main types of solar eclipses determined by the alignment of the sun, moon, and Earth, and their varying distances from each other. 1. Total solar eclipse. This is the most dramatic type of eclipse. It happens when the moon completely covers the sun's disk, and the sky darkens as if it were dawn or dusk. During a total eclipse, the sun's outer atmosphere, the corona, becomes visible as a brilliant halo of light around the moon. Totality is only visible from a very small area on Earth, known as the path of totality. 2. Annular solar eclipse. An annular eclipse, sometimes called a ring of fire eclipse, occurs when the moon is at its farthest point from Earth in its elliptical orbit. Because it's farther away, it appears smaller than the sun and doesn't completely cover it. This leaves a bright ring of sunlight visible around the moon's silhouette. 3. Partial solar eclipse. A partial solar eclipse occurs when the sun, moon, and Earth are not perfectly aligned, so the moon only partially covers the sun. From Earth, the sun appears as a crescent shape. People outside the path of totality or annularity will see a partial eclipse. 4. Hybrid solar eclipse. This is a rare type of eclipse that shifts between an annular and a total eclipse. It can start as an annular eclipse and transition to a total eclipse as the moon's shadow moves across the curved surface of Earth.